The OnePlus 15 isn't official yet, but the phone has already made its first public appearance. Real-life photos of the device surfaced during the 2025 PES Elite Professional League Summer Finals. The OnePlus 15 has a squarish camera module in the upper left corner, similar to what we saw on the OnePlus 13T. The module houses 3 cameras, 2 in a pill-shaped design, and another lens and an LED flash sit separately on the right. The device was previously expected to come in absolute black, dune, and mist purple, to have a 50MP primary sensor, a 50MP JN5 telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom, 50MP ultra-wide camera ISOCELL JN5, and OnePlus new Detail Max engine for sharper shots, and an IP68/69 rated body. That the OnePlus 15 will feature a 6.78-inch flat display with 1.5K resolution, with support for up to 165Hz refresh rate. The phone is powered by the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Up to 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 inbuilt storage. There's also a 7000 mAh battery inside, which along with the 120W wired charging support will also get 50W wireless charging. A China launch is likely in October 2025, with a global debut expected by January 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.